Remember when we're adding and subtracting decimals, how important it is that they're all in one straight line? When you're multiplying decimals, that isn't as important. What is important, though, is that the last digits are all in one straight line. You should be able to push a wall flat against them. Other than that, we'll just multiply as we normally would and pretend the decimals aren't even there, with one extra step at the end. So 9 times 7 is 63. And 9 times 0 is 0. We'll add the 6 and put a placeholder in. 1 times 7 is 7. And 1 times 0 is 0. And we'll add that up to get 3 and 13 and 1. Our last step is to put the decimals back in again and to count how many swoops it takes from the end of each number to reach the decimal. So on top we have 1 swoop, and on the bottom we have 1 and 2. That makes 3 swoops in total. So we'll go to the bottom now to our answer and count 1, 2, and 3. That's where our decimal goes. Let's try the second one. We'll take the decimal away, and 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 2 is 18. We'll add the 4. That gives us 22. And 9 times 5 is 45. We'll add the 2 to get 47. And we'll put the decimal back in again and count the swoops. We have 1 and 2. And we'll go to the bottom and count 1 swoop and 2. At a gas station, gas is $1.74 a liter. How much would it cost to fill a 50-liter tank? Okay, here we have $1.74 times 50. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. And 0 times 1 is 0. We'll add the placeholder. And 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 7 is 35. We'll add 2 to make 37. And 5 times 1 is 5. And we'll add 3 to make 8. We'll add that up to get 8,700. Then we'll count the swoops. We have 1 and 2 to reach the decimal. Same thing on the bottom. 1 and 2. That's where our decimal is. So our final answer is 87.0.